How do you set your new senior recruits up for success? What if they don't perform? This is a big fear for business owners. Business owners understand that the great talent will help them grow their business, but at the same time, they are scared of wasting money on bad performances. I have come across few cases like this and hence thought of creating this video to address this problem. I will talk about one such example which my clients experienced. They recruited a senior person to lead a region. Let's call this new recruit as Ravi and the business owners Ramesh and Suresh. Names are changed for obvious reasons. Ramesh and Suresh are great guys, very experienced and talented. They were all open to get in good talent in the organization to lead Eastern region. They hired Ravi at substantially higher salary than the rest of the team members. They were very careful selecting the candidate. They went with one of the best recruiting agencies. In fact, even I interviewed Ravi myself. He has a great mindset, corporate exposure, and very relevant experience and industry exposure. He performed very well in the interview as well. Just the kind of candidate we were looking for. Unfortunately, in spite of all these efforts put in selecting the right candidate, Ravi could not perform well and left the organization in less than 9 months. He wasn't asked to leave, but he left himself, and it was a shock for everyone. I analyzed this case and few more cases like this which I had come across, spoke to all the concerned people, and based on that analysis, I have compiled a few points to take away in this video. 1. Don't expect and wait for the new recruit to prove his performance and worth. It is our responsibility to make sure he is set up for success. If he fails, it's our failure as a business owner. Number 2, be mindful of the environment they were in their previous jobs and the environment they are in your organization. Try and understand what is needed for them to perform in this new environment. Number 3, openly and clearly discuss expectations and job roles during selection process, and once you have agreed upon a job profile, don't expect results in a different area. Set priorities for them and monitor progress in that area. Number 4 is work very closely with the new recruits and make sure that he is inducted properly and is aware of do's and don'ts of the organization. Make sure you review what he is doing and provide timely and constructive feedback on areas of improvement. Point number 6 is get out of their way if you have hired them because of their expertise and skills. After all, he is a new recruit. He won't be able to tell you to get out of his way. Number 7, be sensitive and watchful of behavior of other members of the organization and how is a new recruit treated, accepted and supported by the existing team. Address your existing team members' fears, concerns, insecurities well. Point number 8 is set up formal mentoring sessions every week to understand what they are doing and keep them focused. Number 9 is make them feel safe and comfortable to have open and candid discussions with you. One big mistake business owners commit is that they recruit a senior person and they start watching and judging them if they are performing or not. Right way is to put in efforts to ensure that they succeed. Thank you.